Good morning, everybody. I am recording this on Halloween morning. And, I got some trick-or-trade to give out. And while I was at my local card shop, LCS, not only did I pick up these two, but I also grabbed that. Now, I thought I was prepared, but apparently I don't have my knife with me. So, we shall just rip into this Paldea Evolved. I opened up a Paldea Evolved not too long ago, and it was an ETB that I had won from Crane's Collectibles. And I got nothing but revs and hollows out of it. And I was I was, a little disappointed. And so there's Pikachu with the three starters, I guess, if you will. So I got the sleeves, code card, promo, energy dividers, your dice, and your wellness markers, and these guys, what we're all here for. So we got 3, 6, 9. You know how the rest of that goes. 3, 6. Anyways. I hope everybody is having a great day. I hope everybody is, getting prepared for Halloween tonight. Like I said, I got 2 packs of trick-or-trade there that I will be, distributing. And, I certainly hope that, everybody, has a good time tonight. I hope, whether you're a kid or a kid at heart, whether you go out trick-or-treating, or whether you, just buy your own treats from the store, and because, you've reached a certain age where people are like, oh, do you really think you should be out trick-or-treating? Yes. I mean, who says that it just has to be for kids? I mean, as an adult, if I want to go out trick-or-treating, why shouldn't I be allowed to? I don't know. That's just my opinion. Tell me down below in the comments, what do you think? Is Halloween just strictly for kids? Or can anybody go out trick-or-treating? Me, I say all the power to you. If you want to go out trick-or-treating, go out trick-or-treating. Enjoy. I mean, okay, Water Gang. It told me I had to, so I had to. Okie dokie. So as I was saying, who says, Halloween and trick-or-treating is just for kids? Like I said, if you're dressed up in a costume and you come to my door, I don't care what your age is. I'm just going to give you, trick-or-treat. Or candy, or, whatever I got to hand out. I mean, yeah, I don't, yeah, like I said, if you come to my door and you're dressed in a costume and I still have candy to give out, I'll give you candy. Magikarp. Not the Magikarp that everybody's looking for, but I mean, But yeah, even those late night kids that come to the door, jump pluff, interesting. As I was saying, even those kids that come to the door late, 10 o'clock, whatever, if my light's still on, the light's still on. I still got candy. Come on by. Hey. So yeah, I like Halloween. I like seeing, people dressed up in costume. I like seeing, what people think about Halloween and what it means to them, as far as what they are willing to dress up in. I mean, there's a lot of things you can choose to dress up as for Halloween, and I like seeing them all. I watch Let's Make a Deal on the regular. I mean, I record the show. And yeah, I really do like seeing people in costume. It's entertaining. Nice. Yuka Mori. Okay, I totally spelt it wrong on my last post. I am going to have to change that. But yes, Yukamori, and I apologize if I butchered the name. I apparently misspelt on my last post. Oh, what do we got here? The Fortress EX. Yeah, I apparently misspelled the Yukamori's name on my I misspelled Yukamori's name on my last post, and I have to go back and fix that. Yeah, open here. Yeah. Ah. So yeah, I will address that issue. Oh wow. There is a total crease in that card. Excuse me. Anyways, yeah, like I said, I enjoy seeing people in costume. Something that isn't, regular everyday wear. And I mean, for some kids, they like to dress up every day, and play dress up. Different costumes and whatever have you. Yeah, I gotta say, I really do enjoy seeing people in costume. It's lighthearted. It's easy. It's funny, and the world needs a lot more funny and lightheartedness and things that just aren't as serious. Yeah. Voltorb. Palmot, and Gyarados. I like that. So yeah, we got 5 packs left. It means we're 4 packs in. Yeah, Grass Gang. I'm prepared. Blinkers. If anybody's curious, that is pink lychee. Yeah. I am not necessarily a big fan of concentrates that have added terpenes. I absolutely love my terpenes. Flavor is good, but I don't like added terpenes. I like the plant to naturally have good taste, and yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, yeah, I'm a fan of my terpenes. I like good tasting weed. Yeah, there was one time I went into a dispensary, and the guy in line ahead of me, he was like, "Yeah, I want something that doesn't stink." Something that doesn't stink. Then do you even want cannabis? I mean, wow. But I mean, hey, we all have, different reasons that we consume cannabis, and some people like different flavors, and some people apparently like no flavor. Flavorless. Boss's orders. Switch in one of your opponent's benched Pokemon to the active spot. Oh, interesting. So yeah, yeah. Uno, dos, tres. Once again, not the Magikarp that we're looking for, but it is a Magikarp. Slowpoke, he is another one of my favorites. Yeah, so yeah, where were we? Halloween. Yeah, I hope everybody has a safe and enjoyable Halloween. There are a lot of areas that have, in at least where I live, a lot of areas, a lot of cities locally that have banned the use of fireworks, and banned the sale of fireworks and anything to do with fireworks. But just because you can't go to a local shop and buy fireworks doesn't mean you can't have it mailed to you. Just saying. And then, of course, you have to be cognizant of the fact that, you're still might be using fireworks in an area where they have been banned. You might face charges if a fire started. Oof, look out. Oh, what do we have here? Oh, Paldea Whooper. Okay. An IR, I think it is. One gold star. I think that's an IR. Tinkaton! Nice. Okay, we got 3 packs left. And basically we got one EX and one that I just showed you. SIR. I think it's an IR or an AR. It's 1 gold star. And it's a beautiful card. Nice and shiny. Got good hollow to it. I like it. Definitely. I think I haven't seen this card before. Who is that? Frigibas. Okay. Of course, I've seen these guys before. The Tandemos. Another one I haven't seen before. Satoodle. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, I like seeing people dressed up in costume. I like seeing fireworks. So I mean, where I live, I don't necessarily know if fireworks are allowed here, but I mean, it hasn't stopped anybody. Makuhita. I don't know. I was just mentioning how first time I've seen that character. Hey, Weevil. 2 packs left, folks. Oh. I am definitely excited for tonight rather. Yeah. Can't wait. I got some running around to do today. I was actually thinking of making up some oatmeal buds. They are pretty much like a peanut butter chocolate fudge, but I finish it off with oatmeal, and if I have coconut, I throw coconut in there as well. And and then just drop it onto like wax paper or parchment paper by the spoonful. Let it harden up, and there you go. There's your oatmeal buds. Yeah, of course, me being me, I'm going to make it medicated. Team Green. Ready? Hey! More Team Green. Hey! Clematis Wasteland. I don't know why that was such a... Anyways. Oricorio. Nice. I kind of like that bird. Birdie. right here, last pack, folks. Yeah. Right now, outside, the weather's not that bad. I think the weatherman said that, to expect rain later tonight. But of course, everything's subject to change when it comes to the weather. But yeah, typically around here on Halloween, the weather drops down to like 5-7 degrees Celsius, and 5 degrees is 10 is 9 is 41 Fahrenheit, and 7 is 14. We'll go 1.5 is 13 is 12 5 is 44 and a half. So yeah, typically there are a lot of leaves on the ground already. Around here, like I said, between 5 and 7 degrees Celsius for the temperature. And yeah, not every year, but a lot of years it either rains or it gets foggy. And yeah, a nice foggy Halloween night, I love it. Right at you, I see you. Yeah, a foggy Halloween night. Yeah, I like those. So yeah, like I said, I hope everybody has a safe Halloween. Go out, have fun. Have fun. And when it comes to having fun, the way I look at it is, as long as you're not hurting anybody, you're not hurting anybody. Just having fun. Pincher chin. Pincer chin? Pincer chin. Okay. Almost looks like a pin cushion with like sparklers coming out of that. Last card. What do we got? Hey. Ooh, we got something. Quaxoval EX. Nice. So out of that ETB, we got that Quaxoval that I just showed you. EX. We got that EX. And then we got that. 3 hitters out of 9 packs. That's not bad. Yeah, let's bag these guys up. Bag up some more of these other guys as well. But in particular, we'll bag these guys up first. And, yeah. Just like that. Those 3 go in there. And, so yeah, once again, I wish everybody, a happy, safe Halloween. I hope everybody, has fun. Whatever you do, be safe. Once again, everybody has control of their own actions. And actions have consequences. So yeah, always ask yourself, am I hurting anybody? Will I get in trouble for what I'm doing? And, just guide yourself with those principles. Am I hurting anybody? And will I get in trouble for what I'm doing? Take those two things into consideration, and you'll be all right. Yeah. So, instead of having all you guys watch me bag up these cards, I am going to say thank you very much for watching. Click like, subscribe. All that stuff really does help with the YouTube algorithms. Yeah. Once again, thank you all very much. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. Yeah, thank you for liking my content, even though it is pretty much just me opening cards, packs of cards rather. Yeah, for now, that is, sort of what I'm going to be doing. But, yeah, in the very near future, I will be, hopefully learning how to play, this game. And, yeah, I want to start going to, different card events, and yeah, like I said, there are a few things that I want to do and accomplish with my channel. So yeah, look at that. Oh no, I have one more penny sleeve left. Last one. Done. Hey, and on that note, seeing as how this is done here, I am just going to throw this in with that. For the time being, we shall throw these cards back in, like so. Throw these guys in here like that. Oh, look at that. That fits. Oh, yeah. Okay, so like I was saying, happy Halloween. Everybody be safe, have fun, and yeah, smile. You never know when you might make somebody's day. Thank y'all very much. Take care. Bye.